Hey gang, it's Bruce Tall Guy Miller here at Airstream of South Florida in sunny Fort Myers, division of North Trail RV. Today we're going to take a quick look at our Airstream lot. This is our Airstream sales building behind us here. We've got a large selection. We've got a lot of Airstream Interstates. We've got, I think, 4 Atlases, maybe 5 Atlases in stock right now. Of course, we start the line with the Nest and the Basecamp and the travel trailers. And we're going to walk along the line here and take a look at some of the things we've got. In the center here, I've got a 30 Classic on display, and I've got an Atlas on display here in this center area right here. And as we move on around to the row here, I've got an Interstate on the end there, but then we start with the Basecamps, and then we have all the single axle units here in the front row. We've got, of course, the 16 Bambis and Caravels. We've got the 19s, the 20s, the 22s over here. As we go on down, you'll see we have a very large selection. We have probably, there's a couple of dealers here in the country that have more than we do right now, but not a lot. And over here we've got a nice row of Interstates, you can see. We've got more of those coming in every day. We're finally getting past the chassis shortage, which is great news. We do have, I think, the only 2 existing available new 19-foot Tommy Bahamas. That's by design, by the way. We actually ordered several Tommy Bahamas just before the end of production because we knew they were in high demand, and we are out of 27s now. We actually shipped our last 27 to Russia, but we do have a couple of 19s left. So as we go on down this way, you'll see Bambis and Caravels, everything with single axle. So basically everything in this front row you could tow with a smaller SUV or a smaller pickup truck. Some of them you can even tow with a minivan, that kind of thing. As we're walking back to the back row here, talk a little bit about Airstream of South Florida, division of North Trail RV. We've got 110 service bays. We're pretty spread out. We've got about 150 acres here, fleet of golf carts, so you don't have to walk your legs off. We'll haul you around. Back here, we've got all the larger Airstreams. Right here on the end, I've got a 33. As we go that way, we're going to go clear down to the 23s. So I've got 33s, 30s, 28s, 27s, 25s, 23s all down through here. So we've got a lot to look at. We keep them unlocked every day. Unless they're sold, you'll see a couple of yellow signs here, the ones that are getting ready to pull out that are sold. Of course, those are locked. But we have a lot to look at. They're all unlocked, so you can come, you can browse. We'd be glad to help you. I'm here, Bruce Tall Guy Miller. We got Derek Wolf Weekly. We got Todd Utzman, Tony French. We're all specialized in Airstreams, so we'll be glad to help you, answer questions and show you around, but you can also browse to your heart's content. So come see us. We can show you. I'd love to show you the service and parts center. It's second to none. Like I said, there's 110 service bays over there. We've got a big parts department over there with probably $3 million worth of parts on hand, all kinds of things. So this is Bruce Tall Guy Miller saying, come see us at Airstream of South Florida, division of North Trail RV, right here in sunny, beautiful Fort Myers, Florida. Come see me, Bruce Tall Guy Miller, Derek Wolf Weekly, Todd Utzman, Tony French. Any one of us would be glad to help you. This is Bruce Tall Guy Miller saying, see you on the road.